Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Features also include navigation system, alloy wheels, seat memory, sun moonroof. Make a great choice today with the 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLE. The GLE comes with a full Mercedes luxury experience. It combines the sports sedan performance with SUV stability. It comes with beautiful, serene-looking interiors and a command system that is close by to access every setting under the sun and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, home link garage door opener, cruise control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.